Let's see how we can use the rank function in Google Sheets to assign ranks to people based on their score in an exam. First, we need to go to Google Sheets by clicking on Sheets from Google Apps. Let's click on Blank Spreadsheet. This creates and opens a blank sheet called Untitled Spreadsheet. We will rename this for easy future access to Rank function. Let's create our data. Say we have serial number in column A, name in column B, score in column C, and rank in column D. Let's say 10 people gave an exam, so we will have serial number from 1 to 10. For this we can use the sequence function, which returns a grid of sequential numbers. Since we want 10 entries from 1 to 10, rows argument is 10, columns we will write 1 start 1 and step 1. Let's say the people who gave the exam are named A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Suppose A scored 98, B, 88, C, 90, D, 56, E, 67, F, 69, G, 78, H, 88, I, 55, and J, 80. Suppose we want to assign ranks to these 10 people based on their score, highest score being first rank holder. For this we will use a function rank. It gives rank of a specified value in a dataset. It takes value, data and optional, is ascending as the arguments. An example is shown. For our case value is C2, data is C2 to C11. Let's lock this range, as this range should not change even if we drag the formula down. We want the highest score to be ranked 1, so as ascending argument is false or 0. Let's autofill the data. We see that score 98 is assigned rank 1, score 90, rank 2, and both instances of score 88, rank 3. Let's format the data. Let's give borders to the cells, center align the data, make the title bold and give yellow background color to the title. Suppose we want to display the first, second and third rank holders and their score. We will write first rank in cell F1, second rank in cell G1, and third rank in cell H1. In cell E2 we will write score, and in cell E3 we will write name/names. Let's insert one column to the left to separate this from our data. Let's center align the selected range data. Let's give borders to the cells of selected range. Make the text bold. Now, to get the score according to the rank, first, second or third, we will use the XLOOKUP function. It returns the range at the position that matches a search value. It takes search key, lookup range, result range, optional missing value, optional match mode, and optional search mode as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, the search key is 1, that is rank 1, lookup range is D2 to D11, let's lock this range, and the result range is C2 to C11, let's lock this range as well. We get the score 98 for first rank. Let's drag the formula to H2 and I2 cells. Let's change the rank from 1 to 2 in the cell H2 formula. We get a score 90 for second rank. Let's change the rank from 1 to 3 in the cell I2 formula. We get the score 88 for third rank. Now, we want the names of the people who scored these. For this, we will use the filter function. Since we want to filter the names, range we will take B2 to B11. Let's lock this range. Condition 1 will be locked range C2 to C11 equal to the score we got using the XLOOKUP function, that is G2. We get A who scored 98, let's drag the formula to H3 and A3 cells. We get C who scored 90 and finally B and H who scored 88. We have first rank score 98, scored by A, second rank holder is C, who scored 90, and B and H are third, who scored 88. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the rank function to assign ranks based on scores in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.